What if you could get the main ideas of an entire book in less time than it takes to watch one YouTube video? Not a summary that feels empty, but the actual ideas that matter. Today, I'm showing you a website called 15minutes.ai, and once you understand how people use it, you'll never look at reading the same way again. Most people want to read more books, but reality looks like this: no time, too many recommendations, half-finished books, information overload. The truth is, most books repeat the same ideas again and again. Only a small portion actually changes how you think. That's the problem 15minutes.ai solves. 15minutes.ai is an AI-powered platform that gives you clear, structured book summaries you can finish in about 15 minutes. Instead of reading hundreds of pages, you get core ideas, key frameworks, and practical takeaways. And the summaries aren't just raw AI text. They're AI-generated and human-refined, so they're easy to understand and actually useful. The platform offers access to 10,000-plus book summaries: business, self-help, psychology, productivity, personal growth. Instead of committing weeks to one book, you explore ideas freely, without pressure. And that alone changes how people learn. Here's something most people don't expect. Each summary is available as readable text, downloadable PDF or EPUB, and audio summaries, so you can learn while walking, listen while commuting, read offline anytime. Knowledge fits into your day, not the other way around. This is how people really use 15minutes.ai. Preview books before buying, reinforce ideas they've already read, learn key concepts without burnout, build a daily learning habit. Instead of finishing one book a month, they absorb multiple ideas every week. Now, a fair question: can summaries replace real books? No, but they optimize reading. They help you skip low-value books, focus on what matters, learn faster with less effort. Think of 15minutes.ai as a filter for information. If you enjoy learning but feel overwhelmed, this is one of those tools worth trying at least once. No complicated setup, just open it, pick a topic, and start learning. Everyone has access to the same books, but not everyone knows how to extract value efficiently. If you can turn hours of reading into minutes of clarity, you don't just save time, you grow faster. That's 15minutes.ai.